We have 3 industry-respected design courses. We have a BA MDes in Industrial Design, a BSc MDes in Design and a BSc MDes in Product Design Engineering. And what's great about these 3 courses is they blend engineering and technical subjects with design practice and human-centered design process, which means that our students get a very comprehensive overview of the industrial design and product design process.
I wanted to study design at Brunel because they have world-class workshops you can use from level 1, and I want to be part of the atmosphere, including the Made in Brunel team.
We have a strong student community that includes both the Design Society and our Made in Brunel team. And these teams organise great events including our 24-hour design challenge, the sketch off, and also exhibitions to showcase student work.
The best thing about the course is the mixture of academic and hands-on learning.
Workshop training is embedded in all of our first year training programme. This allows our students to not only make models of their work but also to prototype their design work, therefore being able to demonstrate that the product works, not just visualise it.
One of the great things about Brunel is they offer a placement year with most of their courses. For my placement year, I worked in the Brunel design department and Made in Brunel.
I would thoroughly recommend that students do a placement. We have a member of staff in the design department who organises the placements, and we also have a placement office at Brunel who promote the placements but also prepare our students in order to take part in the placement programme. This is great experience. First of all, it looks brilliant on your CV. Secondly, it's fantastic experience. And thirdly, it allows you to use that knowledge and experience that you've gained and apply that to your final year project.
My advice to a first year student would be to join a club or society and enjoy it.